Today I'm going to share a video based on how to make assignment on Google Forms. First, you have to open Google Chrome browser on your mobile phone and type google.com. Click on the grid option which is on your right top side and select Classroom from there. Open Google Classroom where you have to select classwork. Then click on Create option. On Create, you get some more options. Please click on Quiz Assignment. When you click on Quiz Assignment, here you get a new page. You have to fill some details like title and instruction. Then you have to fill points, which is considered as maximum marks of your test. If you want to schedule this test on the given date as well as the time, then you can go for it. After filling the details, click on blank quiz on the top. Here you have a new window. Edit some details as per your requirement of your question paper. Here I edit in some place of blank quiz as monthly test and enter the title of the test as science. Also, you have to add form description. Here you have to enter the questions and start typing your question paper. First, you can choose as a multiple choice question. You can see also there are some more options like short question answers, paragraph, and other things. As per your requirement of the question paper, you can choose. As you can see, I typed one question and also I added the options of the multiple choice question. After completing your question and answer, click on the answer key and also to add point as the marks of the question. Here you can also add correct answer of the question for quick result. Then click done option. Now I am going to show you how to add some more questions by clicking on plus icon. After completion of your number of questions, click preview. Check your question paper, how it look like. It look like this. Then go on setting option. Here you have to do some setting. You have three options: general, presentation, and quizzes. In general, select limit to one response. In presentation, type here your confirmation message which you want to show after submitting the test by the students. After that, quizzes. In this option, click according to the requirement and then click on save option. Now your question paper is ready to share. Click on send option on the top right side. Here you can share it via email. If you want to share this in your WhatsApp or any other source, then click attachment pin and copy the link. And then back to your last window and check your details, then click assign option, which is on your top right side. जैसे you can check the title, instruction, the points, which is the maximum marks, due date, then after you can check the subtopic, etc. Now this assignment is shared to your Google Classroom. If you want to share this test in WhatsApp with the link, then go to the WhatsApp and paste the link. Here in your classroom, it look like this. First, which we have recently created the question paper. Its title is monthly test. You can see here the date, and here in Google Classroom can check marks of the student. The page look like this. When the student attempt the test, they can immediately get the result, and you can see how many students had attempted the test. Here you can see the response of the students. Thank you.